Welcome back, folks. Here we go again. Today's a little more interesting than yesterday, I think. Got a couple of pieces to build, the small pieces, then we get to go back to working on the superstructure, assembling some more of the meat and bones of the project, and away we go. I will say that so far I've found this project to be very fulfilling, very good instructions, and I'm pleased with both the complexity and the ease of putting this thing together. I wasn't expecting it to go as good as it has. I was expecting a lot more challenges, and well, until this happened. Up to then it was right easy. Come on. Yeah, until you just, oh no. I hope there's a spare of that one. I think there is. Okay. Not wanting to cooperate at all. Well, it's on there and it's secure, so that's well, that's the first trouble I've had with any of these things. That's oh well, but it's together, and I think it's gonna hold. I had to get some clamps in there, and okay, well, that was 36. Let's hope 37 goes nicer and smoother than that. Okay, 37. Now we get to move into playing with the big boy. All right. Still working fine. That's good. And let's see here. Cover my instructions. 26, 25. You go together like this. Okay, let's go here. And me. These go in here. And you go in here. goes. Flush. Okay. And that was 38. Oh, still going on 38 now. Okay. Goes here, I believe. Let's see, 20 goes here. Doesn't matter on the. Oh, it does have a. Yep. 17 goes. Okay, I guess that's symmetric. Yeah, okay. Just making sure I had these faced correctly. And this one. Ooh, this goes in here. And this, oh, I got you. So I'm gonna push that in. Okay. And you go here. Okay. And oh, that all of them? This must go there. This must be backwards. Yep, that's what I done. we're getting close, it looks like. That's going to finish us up for today, and I hope you've enjoyed it. I'll see you tomorrow. Like, subscribe, comment, complain, whatever you want to do with all that. Have a good day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.